After a 14-day quarantine, relieved passengers began leaving a coronavirus-wracked cruise ship in Japan on Wednesday. They were tested negative for the disease. Diamond Princess proved a fertile breeding ground for the virus with at least 542 positive cases, and Japan has faced mounting criticism for its quarantine arrangements as the passengers disperse. For the 500 passengers allowed to disembark after testing negative, a difficult 14-day quarantine period has come to an end, after their dream cruise turned into a nightmare of fear and crushing boredom, confined in many cases to small windowless cabins. Those with no symptoms and a negative test received an official certificate saying they posed a no risk of infection of nCoV, as the said person has also presented no symptoms, including fever, at the time of infection. Meanwhile, as the virus-stricken Diamond Princess cruise ship is evacuated, Japan faces deepening criticism over its response to the outbreak, tarnishing what was supposed to be a triumphant Olympic year for Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. More than 540 people on board have been infected with the coronavirus, the most outside of China. But as the crisis off the coast of Yokohama winds down, focus now turns to Tokyo, where critics say the government's response has seemed more concerned with managing public perception than the outbreak. They say the ship quarantine may not have been effective.